In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this without the curling iron. Start with damp or towel dried hair. Then you're going to section off your hair depending on how big you want the curls or waves. We were going for that Sarah Jessica Parker look, so I sectioned it into 5 different parts or lines, but you can do 2 or 3. What you're doing is taking each line into 2 parts and twisting one part around the other. Then you continue adding hair from the line as you go down. Once you've twisted everything, twist it into a low bun and add a rubber band to hold it in place. Put on a Eleyae satin-lined cap and go run errands or go to sleep. Once your hair is completely dry, take off your slap, unravel your twists, and fluff out your curls. And there you go. You have beautiful curls with no heat damage.